Is that a plane?
Yeah.
Oh my God, travel.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's
Superman. It's time for a cup of tea and a beautiful chocolate chip cookie. This is a vegan version and it's delightful. And it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I know everybody behind these cameras would absolutely love that, wouldn't you?
Yeah!
Good acting scores, everybody. Baking paper on the last piece of baking paper on my beautiful tray. My oven is heated to 170. It's getting quite hot in here. And these are the ingredients. I shall use this. Okay, you ready? Flax seeds, whole flax seeds and water creates egg for all the vegan friends out there that are vegan. So 1 tablespoon of flax and 3 tablespoons of water, and you put it in a bowl and you whisk it around and it goes gooey. Look at that. It's amazing, right? I've got some vanilla, coconut oil. I know, it's so yummy. Maple syrup, baking powder.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Desiccated coconut, and I've got Bob's Red Mill's incredible flour. What is that flour again? It's all-purpose, right? All-purpose flour. I just love it. And I've got some beautiful vegan chocolate chips, which are sweetened with coconut sugar, and I find that really cool, right? And 64% because these guys wanted 64% today, and I wanted 80, but that's okay, they won. And this is all you're gonna do. It's so easy. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, flour, coconut, the baking powder, and I just want to mix this up so it's really well combined. And then I want to add some salt because it just brings out flavour. Do you like that sound?
Yeah.
Okay. Coconut oil. Maple syrup. Some vanilla extract, which smells amazing. And then our flax eggs. Have a look how gooey they are. Okay, and you just mix this up. Just emulsify the oil with the maple and the water as much as you can. Okay, it's gonna go into our wet mix. Okay, and you just kind of, starting from the middle, it's like you make a little well in the middle, right? With your spoon, like this. Not a well, but like, you're stirring from the middle. Don't stir from the outside, and you're gradually pulling in the flour from the outside. And when that's all combined, like this, add in your chocolate chips and just fold those in.
Can we eat the cookie dough?
Absolutely, you can eat the cookie dough. It's freaking amazing. You know what? I hate cookie dough with raw egg. I think that's gross. Raw egg, I just don't do raw egg. But this is like, yeah. But have a look at the consistency, right? That is really it. This is the quickest cookie situation in the world. Now, I like to use one of these, and the reason why is because I can get portion control, because I'm actually useless at portioning, especially with pasta, aren't I? Like really useless. And this is what I like to do, and this is a little trick that we learn in kitchens. So I've got a little bit of coconut oil in here, and all I'm going to do is scoop the coconut oil up, let it kind of wash around the inside of the scoop, tip it out. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna be easy for this to come out. And it just comes out beautifully and it doesn't stick to my scoop. I know, right, genius. And all you're gonna do, seriously, is do this as much as you can. If you don't have one of these, this is a really small, actually there's another one here, this is bigger. And I don't want that size cookie, right? I want a small size. Because these are gonna like spread out. So I just want this size. This is really it, right? Just make sure your oven's on and you're feeling super present and you're in a joyful state. And notice how there's not a lot of stickiness happening in here because that oil, right?
Yeah.
I'm not wasting a lot of it, which is super cool. Yep. Okay, last one. Well, maybe two. Get all that off, yum. Cookie dough, oh my God. Okay, hang on a moment, sorry. As you were, people, as you were. Actually, this would probably be a big one. Yeah, it is. All right. So straight into the oven. This is just delicious, by the way. I can't stop eating it. I'm gonna cook them for 12 minutes. And we'll see you in 12 minutes. This is beeping away like it's just insane, right? It doesn't stop. It just keeps going. Shh. All right, stop. Now these cookies aren't super brown and all that. They're very different because of the flour, because the flour is actually made out of gazebo beans and other legumes, you know. It's a really interesting flour and it's very earthy as well, and I love it. And it works well, doesn't it? We love it. And I've had great success with his products, especially this flour. So please Google it. Bob Bread Mills all-purpose flour. I think it comes in a red and...
It's gluten-free.
Here's a bag. Hang on, hold the line, caller. Yeah, this one. And I love this brand and I showcase this brand anywhere I go. I just really love it. And I love, you know, his vibe, the family vibe, the whole thing, and how they give back to their employees. I think it's super cool. It's something that I aspire to do. But this has got gazebo bean flour, potato starch, tapioca flour, whole sorghum flour, faba bean flour. So it's very earthy. And what I just read then are legumes and pulses, and they are normally very earthy. So you kind of get that flavor with it all. So you're not gonna get the browning that you would, you know, with spelt flour and the butter and the eggs and all the things, right? I think my microphone just came off. Oh no, it didn't, it's all good. Okay, Weira's on the floor. He's ready. Are you ready, Weira? Can you smell it? Look out, for this is gonna be hot. Okay. Oh my God, they're delicious. I love them, look at them. God, they're gorgeous, aren't they?
They are.
Okay, oven off, yep. Oven off, and we need a spatula, hot, super hot. And I'm just gonna put them on a wire rack so they're cool. That's not something you wanna be putting in your mouth straight away, by the way, because you burn the roof of your mouth. My grandmother, when she used to cook, she would always she would fold it up and put it away and use it again and again and again until it was deteriorating. But that's it. Cup of tea, cookie. We are so done. Do not eat them hot. It'll really seriously burn the roof of your mouth, so just give it a minute. Let's have a look at the other side. Oh, lovely. Who would like a cookie?
Me!
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And I know you boys behind the camera would love a cookie as well with your coffee. I'm gonna have one too.
Cookie!
Cookie, cookie!
Cookie! Cookie! Cookie!
Kau ambil yang gede.
Oh my God.
Good, eh?
Oh, seriously.
Oh!
Look inside there, Wira. Look how fluffy that is. This is better.
This
This is better than the last one
This
we
is
made.
better than what we practice.
Easy peasy.
Yeah. Good, hey? Oh my God.
So much love.
So fluffy, yeah?
Dian besar loh.
Anyway, that's it. I'm out. See you guys. Subscribe. No worries. Subscribe. Do all the things. Make the comments. Ring the bell. Hang out. Talk to me. Say I don't like you. I love you.
Make the cookie, I promise.
Make the cookie. If something doesn't work, well, man, you know, that's life. It happens to me all the time. That's it. That's winning. Oh, it's
My
dripping.
private time with this cookie.
I need my private time with this cookie.